Welcome to the Lucidity Insights half-year roundup of the 10 most funded startups in the United Arab Emirates ecosystem, where we dive into the most funded venture from the country in a bit more detail. The UAE startup ecosystem had an impressive showing in the first half of 2024, with the top 10 most funded startups securing a total of $2.16 billion. This first half year of 2024 has demonstrated a notable shift toward larger, later-stage investments across the Middle East, Africa, Pakistan, and Turkey region, but this trend has been most apparent in the UAE. If we take a look at the roundup of deals that have made it into our monthly top 5 rounds across the entire region from January to June 2024, there were a total of 30 top fundraised deals, and UAE Startups tops these rankings with its startups raising $2.16 billion. Even with 7 fewer deals compared to Israel, whose startups raised $1.11 billion, roughly half of what startups from the Emirates raised. Admittedly, the UAE's fundraising dominance can largely be attributed to Abu Dhabi's AI player, G42, who raised a massive $1.5 billion funding round from Microsoft, which was announced this past April. This single mega deal demonstrates that artificial intelligence players in the region can command strong funding and partnerships. Other sectors dominating the top 10 list include social media, prop tech, and blockchain, each contributing 2 deals to the list. G42 first made headlines with this gigantic $1.5 billion funding round in April, which now accounts for 32% of the total funds raised across the entire MENA-PT region as of July 2024. The UAE's ambition to lead the world in AI matched Microsoft's ambitions, and G42's aspiration to build the world's first Arabic large language model in the same mold as OpenAI's ChatGPT also caught Microsoft's eye. In May, the two companies announced a joint $1 billion package of digital investments in Kenya, which included input from both the US and Emirati governments. The partnership soon made headlines again in July, as the United States government voiced national security concerns, raising political concerns of G42's connections with blacklisted Chinese firms such as Huawei and Beijing's Genomics Institute, China's military and its intelligence services. It has been reported that part of the deal between Microsoft and G42 stipulated requiring G42 to stop working with Chinese companies. Despite reports that this deal is being revised over political reason, it is still a significant marker that underscores the UAE's AI potential on the global stage. The runner-up in the UAE for most funded startup in the first half of 2024 is one of the world's most popular messenger apps, Telegram, which secured $330 million in debt financing in March. In April, founder Pavel Durov said in an interview that the platform will likely cross 1 billion active monthly users within a year. As a benchmark, WhatsApp has roughly 3 billion active users today. Since launching in 2013 and moving Telegram's headquarters to Dubai in 2014, Telegram has become a haven for avid users, proudly promoting its community channels, ability to send large files at higher resolution, neutrality, privacy, and data security. In third place, Property Finder raised $90 million in debt financing, reinforcing its stronghold in the MENA real estate market. This funding was raised to support the exit of one of its legacy investors, as well as to bolster the company's growth, particularly in high-demand regions like Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Avail, a blockchain startup, claimed the 4th spot with $70 million raised across seed and Series A rounds. These funds will fuel the development of Avail's unification layer, aimed at improving blockchain security. True Gamers, a gaming startup founded in 2019, takes the 5th spot with a $45 million funding round, which was raised via selling franchise rights to Nawaf Al-Bishri, the CEO of Falak, a prominent venture capital firm in the kingdom. True Gamers is riding the wave of the booming gaming and esports market in the region, with a focus on expanding into Saudi Arabia as well as other markets. Nawaf's personal involvement brings some intrigue as people watch the Saudi e-gaming space closely. It is reported to come with the expectation of up to 150 e-gaming clubs opening in the kingdom in the coming years. In 6th place is Tumodo, a travel tech startup that raised $35 million in a pre-seed round. Founded in 2022, Tumodo is revolutionizing business travel management, with ambitious plans to reach 25 countries by 2026. Flare Network, a blockchain startup founded in 2019, takes the 7th spot with $35 million raised in February. Flare Network is focused on enabling secure and smart contracts on non-Ethereum blockchains. Keeper, a PropTech startup, comes in 8th with $30 million in debt financing. Founded in 2022, Keeper offers a rent now pay later solution that's transforming real estate transactions in the UAE. At number 9 is Tendered, with $30 million raised in a Series A round. Founded in 2018, Tendered operates in heavy industries like construction and logistics, offering a marketplace with AI-driven insights. Rounding out the top 10 is Hunch, a new social media startup that raised $23 million in Series A. Hunch is a unique platform that allows users to create and participate in interactive polls. With nearly 85% of its user base coming from India, Hunch plans to use the new funds to expand further into India and the US. All in all, this strategic focus on larger investments is likely to continue shaping the UAE startup landscape as we move into the second half of the year. We hope you found our UAE H1 Roundup insightful. Follow Lucidity Insights to stay fully informed on all the latest developments and trends within the Middle East tech ecosystems. If you want to find out more details about each of the startups on this list, you can check out our startup database and read more in this article at lucidityinsights.com.